So today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. I have decided to do a full body spa. I haven't done one for about 20 years. I know it's been a long time. It's been 20 plus years since I went to the spa. I am freaking nervous. It's like, yeah, I am from head to toe. I'm getting my hair washed, blow dried. I'm minimum makeup on now because I'm going to be getting a facial, full blown body massage. They're going to put some kind of, I get to pick out the oils for my hair that's going to, when my hair's going to be blow dried. And then I'm getting my foot soaked in some kind of herbal bath. And when I say it's full blown from the top of my head to the soles of my feet. So this is well deserved for years and years and decades of stress, pressure, pain, grief, loss. This is it. So I just refreshed my hair so it'd be a little bit easier to manage because it was kind of dry from the week. And come with me as I get my treatment done. So yeah, so come with me as I take this adventure, this well-deserved blessing and restoration and rest, which is well-deserved and well-needed. And we'll see you on the other side. Hey, so I'm here, I'm at the spa, and I am gonna just take some time. I got here a little bit early so I can just unwind and relax. And yeah, I'm just gonna take some time out for myself. So we'll see you soon.